Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hey everyone, I am Sarah Mehroze. I hope you are all feeling great and enjoying your days. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Mastery with Mehroze. So, friend, imagine you land in a new country. The sights are amazing. The food smells incredible, but you don't know what to say in English. Don't worry, I have got your back. Alright, today we are learning 50 super useful travel phrases in English. The kind every tourist should know. So, whether you are at the airport, hotel, restaurant, or totally lost in the middle of nowhere, you will know exactly what to say in English. So, without wasting your time, let's go on this English travel adventure. Section number 1, Airport Vibes. Where's the check-in counter? Where's the check-in counter? I have a booking under my name. I have a booking under my name. Can I get a window seat, please? Can I get a window seat, please? Where's gate number 14? Where's gate number 14? How many bags can I check in? How many bags can I check in? Do I need to remove my shoes? Do I need to remove my shoes? This is my hand luggage. This is my hand luggage. Is there free Wi-Fi here? Is there free Wi-Fi here? I am a bit late. Can I still board? I am a bit late. Can I still board? Section number 2. On the plane. Excuse me, this is my seat. Excuse me, this is my seat. Could I have a glass of water, please? Could I have a glass of water, please? Is there a USB charging port? Is there a USB charging port? How long is the flight? How long is the flight? I am not feeling well. Do you have a sick bag? I am not feeling well. Do you have a sick bag? Section number 3. Hotel life. I have booked a room for 2 nights. I have booked a room for 2 nights. Can I see the room before checking in? Can I see the room before checking in? Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? What's the Wi-Fi password? What's the Wi-Fi password? Can I get a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Can I get a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? There's a problem with the shower. There's a problem with the shower. Can I switch rooms? Can I switch rooms? I don't like to extend my stay. I don't like to extend my stay. Can I check out late? Can I check out late? Where's the nearest ATM? Where's the nearest ATM? Section number 4. How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station? Is this the way to the museum? Is this the way to the museum? Can you mark it on the map? Can you mark it on the map? Is it close by? Is it close by? Can I walk there or do I need a taxi? Can I walk there or do I need a taxi? Section number 5. Food time. Can I see the menu please? Can I see the menu please? Do you have vegetarian dishes? Do you have vegetarian dishes? I am allergic to peanuts. I am allergic to peanuts. What's your specialty? What's your specialty? Can I get this to go? Can I get this to go? That was delicious. That was delicious. Can I have the bill please? Can I have the bill please? Section number 6. Shopping. How much is this? How much is this? Is there a discount? Is there a discount? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Do you accept cards? Do you accept cards? What time do you close? What time do you close? Section number 7. Emergency stuff. I have lost my passport. I have lost my passport. I need help. I need help. Can you call the police? Can you call the police? Is there a hospital nearby? Is there a hospital nearby? I need to contact my embassy. I need to contact my embassy. Hope you never need these, but better safe than is sorry. Bonus phrases. Just because. Can you take a photo of us? Can you take a photo of us? Where can I rent a bike? Where can I rent a bike? What's a must see in this city? What's a must see in this city? So friend, and there you go. Now whether you are catching flights or feeling, you will know exactly what to say. So next time you travel, no more awkward silences, no more Google Translate panics, just smooth, confident English. So friend, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe and share this with your travel buddy who still say, where toilet? And hey, tell me in the comments which country is on your bucket list. So let's dream big, pack your bag and speak English like a pro. So friends, see you next video. Allah Hafiz. See you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.